Happy evening. This is Glitzy G. Wanting to bring you a video about the baby's booty. I normally buy my rhinestones locally. I don't have to order and wait for my supplies to come in. But I've been following Eve at the baby's booty for a while and decided to just stick my toe into the buy-in waters just to see what it was about and to check out her stones, which she says her bling is the finer thing. So my ice chipper, this is what's called an ice chipper, came in, and I was able to online choose the colors that I wanted in my ice chipper, and comes with a rubber band across the top, but I took that rubber band off, and inside are what's called the ice chips. I'm gonna pour those out. So I ordered SS10 crushed ice, and this is crushed ice AB. I think I got two of those. I got two of the crushed ice. Yeah, because I'm about to do a project with some transparent stones, and I really wanted to have enough of the crushed ice to see if that's what I want to use. And this is the AB. It's got a really nice shine on that. We'll look at that. This is neon yellow, SS10. Just really looks nice. This is the orange, sun, sorry. This is sun. I like that. This is neon green, SS10. This is tanzanite, AB. Ooh, I like that. And this is blue steel. Now let's see what these look like. Hopefully I won't do a really bad job and spill them. So the top is, this is Mr. McQuacken. If you don't follow Eve, this is her icon, Mr. McQuacken. So he's on the top. So try not to open from the bottom. There we go. I hope I can get you a good spill on that. Maybe the whole container will do better. Yeah. I like that. Gives you that blackish feel, but it is called steel. Let's see if I can get these back in. Okay, put the ducklet on top. And that again is blue steel. But yeah, it really has a nice shiny black look to it. This is Tanzanite AB. And these are all SS10. You guys, I prefer SS6. But the 10's not so bad. You see that? That is really pretty. Really pretty. Really pretty. Okay. Let's go with the orange next. I keep saying orange. Sun. SS10. There we go. See those on the top? That's really pretty as well. That's got a really fiery bling to it. It's really nice. Make sure your tops get back on there really good so they won't. Whoop, got that one under my finger now, it won't come out. There we go. And there's another one. We'll get that one in later. Got two, I think. Then we have neon yellow. Know exactly what I'm gonna do with this one. That's pretty. Looks really pretty, you guys. And this is the neon green. I do tumblers, and I would love to put this on a cup, but it's hotfix. I'm not really wanting to use the Bling anything material, but if I did, I could probably use this and put it on a cup. Now, this is the crushed, well, I love this. This is the crushed ice AB. That's really, that's so nice, y'all. What would I do with that? What would I do with that? That's really nice. So that is the crushed ice AB. Now, and I got two of these. This is just regular. I don't want to say regular because the Bling is a finer thing. This is crushed ice. Not regular by any means. Has a really nice shine to it. I've got some transparent stones from some other places. Not looking as good as Eve's. So I was really pleased about this. Looks really nice. So when you are done, you want to put these back in. I kind of turn to the side, put my ice chip back in the chipper from the side, and then it'll, oops. Now that one didn't do well because I was trying to show you, but just put it in sideways, and then it'll go in flat. Same here. There you go. And then I'm going to put these back in before I get them all mixed up. But this is my haul from the Baby's Booty. I can't really say a haul because I just bought a little bit. The buy-in has larger sections that you can purchase that will allow you to get up to 250 gross, I believe, stones. And I just didn't need that right now. I just kind of wanted to just try it, see what it's like. I love to support the sisterhood. They provide so much good information on their videos, and just kind of wanted to pay it forward by supporting with a purchase. And I do hope to purchase again. I'm a little impatient. I don't like to wait, and I'm spoiled in that regard because I really don't have to, because where I live, there's a large rhinestone supplier in my city, and they're like 25 minutes away, so I can just drive over and get whatever I want. But I do like to support, and so if you have the opportunity to jump in on the buy-in, all the information on her website tells you the dates, when the buy-in starts, when the buy-in closes, and when you would possibly receive your order. And I have to say that it was very timely. Probably came earlier than it was expected to come. So I was pleased with that. But of course, yes, did have to wait. It's a buy-in, and you are pooling your funds with other customers to be able to get rhinestones at a wholesale price. She purchases them, it's my understanding, she purchases them directly from China. And so you get to pool your money in with other subscribers and order as much as you want. So I didn't want to order a whole lot, just kind of wanted to see what it was all about. And but the process was very smooth. Payment was very smooth, and lots of options there, and no issues whatsoever. So congrats. She's been doing this buy-in, I think, over a year. I'm just late to the party. Okay, but thank you, Eve, for such a smooth process and for beautiful stones. I'll have another video where I will show you some things I made with Eve's stones from the Baby's Booty. Bye, y'all.